Let's look at the trigonometry involved in three-dimensional situations. So in a three-dimensional shape, and for this case I'm going to draw a square-based pyramid, I can have many different angles. I could have an angle between what we call two planes. So an angle between two planes is when we have one of these sides, these faces as one plane and another face as another plane. So if you can imagine that this line is drawn down there, sits on this face and then goes along that bottom face as well, then we're talking about that angle in there. You can have an angle between two different lines. And so in this situation, I could have an angle between this line here, this edge that I have, and this edge also. So you can have an angle between two lines. And this is very important because I can also get an angle between two lines which we like to be called the skew angle. So by this I mean, if I had, say this is E, this is A, B, C and D there. If I wanted to look at the skew angle between EA, that line, and BC, you can see that EA and BC never touch. But when we talk about a skew angle, we look for a line which is parallel to BC. Well, in this case, that is AD. That is parallel to BC. So therefore, we can find the skew angle. So the skew angle between EA and BC is the angle between EA and AD. So in this case it's the angle EAD.